love cheese. I 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 really love the cheese. I love Swiss and jalapeno jack. I will love cheese from Iran or Iraq. Oh, I love cheese. I love cheese. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. I love cheese. Cause it is so good. I like the sharp cheddar and the not as sharp cheddar, then the extra sharp cheddar. I guess I could say I really love the cheddar cheese. I love mozzarella cheese on the pizza. Oh, it's so good and I please. I love cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese. Stringy cheese, gooey cheese. Oh, cheese. I love the cheese sauce, cause it is made of cheese. I love Avita. It thinks it's made of cheese, but it's something else that's kind of like cheese. I love cheese, but not from under cheese. That's cause it's really kind of gross cheese. Oh, cow cheese, goat cheese, but no chicken cheese. Cow cheese, feta cheese. Oh, without disease. I love cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese so much. I love cheese so much. So give me some nom 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 nom.